Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ratnasiri Bandara and I am President of the Global Foundation for the Protection of Human Beings in Sri Lanka. Today I want to talk to you about the groundbreaking proposal that could change the way we combat wildfires, not only the United States but around the world. In fact, my channel has been often for the discuss about the migraine headache and then its new treatment, new innovation, and many problems on migraine headache. However, you know that the main headache to the America and the many other countries, wildfires. How to stop these wildfires? Before that, first of all, I'd like to extend my heartfelt condolence to those affected by the recent wildfires in Los Angeles and other areas across the US. The devastation caused by these fires is immense, impacting lives, homes, and ecosystem. In times of crisis, we must come together to find the innovative solution. You know that wildfires are becoming increasingly frequent and severe due to the climate changes and land management practices and urban expansion into the wild areas. Traditional firefighting methods, while effective, often struggle to keep pace with the rapid spreading of these fires. In recent years, various methods have been employed to combat wildfires in Los Angeles and surrounding areas. These techniques reflect advancement in fighting technology, strategies, and community preparedness. Let's divert our attention how they try to control these wildfires. First, they have used the aerial firefighting. In this method, they use helicopters and air tankers. They used to stop this fire using water, fire retardant chemicals from the air to the suppress flames and the create fire breaks. In addition, they have used drones, increasingly used for surveillance and assessment. Drones can provide the real-time data on fire behavior and help identify hot spots. On the other hand, firefighters clear vegetation and create barriers to slow and stop the spread of fire. This method can involve removing trees, brush, and other flammable materials. Though they have used many methods, but it could not control that they wished. Today, I propose an innovative approach, the use of missile equipped with a breeze liquid nitrogen as a primary agent for wildfire control. The idea is simply yet revolutionary, but rapidly lowering the ambient temperature in affected areas. We can inhibit the spread of wildfires effectively. Before going to detailed description, let's pay attention to break down the key components of this proposal. First one, pre-liquid nitrogen containers. These containers would serve as the main cooling agents. In addition, this liquid nitrogen help to suffocate the oxygen reach to the fire points. However, this container also contains additional fire suppressing chemicals. This helps to enhance the effectiveness of our approach. We can integrate other known fire suppressing chemical into the missile design. Fire making explosive method can be used to this missile when it deliver into the target place. As we know other missiles design, this missile also can be designed for precise targeting and effective disposal from aircraft, including the drones and modified military planes. Are you okay? Now you can understand our missile design. This is a primary diagram that outlines the proposed design and functionality of the missile system. As you can see, the system is designed to ensure maximum efficacy and effectiveness in the fire suppression. The President of Global Foundation for the Protection of Human Beings in Sri Lanka, I believe that with the expertise and resource of visionary leaders like President Donald Trump and innovators like Elon Musk and scientist Mr. Sarath Gunapala, we can pioneer this innovative solution. Together, we can develop the technology necessary to protect our communities and our planet. Before we end the discussion, I want to tell about the advantages of this missile technique to suppress the wildfires. First one is a correct targeting. Liquid nitrogen missile can be precisely aimed at the specific hot spot with a wildfire. For targeted intervention. Precision minimize collateral damage to surrounding area and ensure that the resources are used effectively. An advantage is correct dosed. The deployment of liquid nitrogen can be calibrated to deliver the exact amount of needed to suppress flame effectively. This control application helps in managing the fire without oversaturation, which can lead to unwanted effect or create additional hazard. Advantage is easy reach. Liquid nitrogen missile can be launched from various platforms, including the drones, helicopters, and by vehicles. This accessibility allows for rapid deployment in hard-to-reach areas, ensuring that the firefighters can tackle blazes that are otherwise difficult to access by ground vehicles. Fourth advantage is reduced dependence on water carried in aircraft. Traditional firefighting often relies on water drop in aircraft, which can be limited by the availability of the water resources and can face logistic challenges in transporting large quantities of water. Liquid nitrogen missiles do not require water and can be deployed without same logistical constraints. Fifth advantage is support for the other crews. The use of liquid nitrogen can be complement existing firefighting strategies. It can create a fog or mist that helps to cool surrounding areas, thereby supporting the ground crews and other aerial firefighters' efforts. This can enhance the overall effectiveness of firefighting operation by creating a more favorable environment for the application of water or chemicals. The advantage of this missile system, immediate cooling effect. Liquid nitrogen is extremely cold and can instantly lower temperature in the targeted area, effectively slowing down or stopping the combustion process. This immediate cooling effect can be crucial in preventing the fire from spreading further. Seventh advantage is environmental harmful effect. Unlike other chemical fire retardants, liquid nitrogen does not leave harmful residues or pollutants in the environment. This makes it a more eco-friendly option for wildfire suppression. Last but not least advantage is immediately stop the first hot spot of the wildfire. And that not only first step, but after the fire ongoing, several hot spots can be suppression using the tons of liquid nitrogen immediately displaced to the correct points. However, some people point out that there are some disadvantage of the using liquid nitrogen. Some people point out that this method cannot be used due to the open area because of the wind. This disadvantage can be reduced by use several missiles. A few explain that liquid nitrogen cannot be used because it reduces only the environment temperature, that is not enough to stop the fire. However, in our method, we can use several missiles, in addition other chemicals that suppress the three factor for fire in need. The point is disadvantage of the liquid nitrogen that harm people or animal. Design missile technique can be used only for the large area or the large burning places, not just like a small area. In fact, we can use the small area when the people ask to keep away or use several techniques to avoid from this burning. We can prepare people prior to this kind of events occurred. Some of this disadvantages can be minimized by prior education when we educated people during the disaster management. Officially requested to President Donald Trump and Mr. Elon Musk to attend this proposal to get the benefits to the people, and not only US but all other countries when there is going on wildfire. Not only that, but also several other fires that cannot be controlled by the existing methods. Finally, I invite anyone interested in this proposal to reach out, collaborate, and explore the possibilities, making this vision a reality. Together, we can create a safer future for all. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your support in this critical endeavor. As I informed early, I am Dr. Ratnasiri Bandara. I am the author of the sinus hypoxic nitric oxide theory for migraine headache, psychiatric disorder, and neurological disorder. So I am going to talk about the migraine headache and this theory in my next YouTube presentation. Therefore, I encourage you to subscribe my YouTube channel, where I share powerful knowledge about migraine, discuss the implementation of the sinus hypoxic nitric oxide theory, and provide insight into creative therapies. Together, we can build a community support, education, and hope. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to have you join me on this exciting journey.